Hey guys, it's Squizzle again. Good morning. I'm kind of sick, so it's probably isn't gonna be the best video. But I got a surprise for you. I just got something in the mail, and I'm gonna open it. So let me find a knife. It's the Sparrow Lockpicks competitor set, and here's the invoice. It was $69 for the set, and $6.50 for shipping and handling from Canada to Texas. So grand total $75.50. Let's open it up. Okay, you can see they marked the competitor. Talks about the laws. So this is it. It's a really nice case. It's about the size of a small paperback book. And the competitor comes with these little plastic handles. They're not soft. It's a hard plastic, so I guess you're supposed to be able to feel the lock or the pins a little bit better. These are really nice hooks, and Twin Peak Bogota. It's nice. It's a short Euro hook. It's really thin. Of course, the diamond, half diamond. Sorry. And there's a short hook. Little S rake or snake rake. I think they're calling this the Whiz, or no, not the Whiz Wuzzle. Maybe it's the Best Buster. I'm not quite sure on that. A city rake or an L rake. This is a Twin Peak Bogota. Not quite sure what this one is. And another hook. So came with 3 packs of tension wrenches, and they're all pretty long. So let's open them up here. I've never really seen these double-sided tension wrenches that have a bend in the middle. That's pretty cool, though. Just about every size you're going to need, I guess. And they seem to have left them pretty long, so I guess you can cut them down to wherever you need to. Another one, that's really thin. And another one, the short. And some more of these bent ones, different sizes. And here's some of the double-sided tension wrenches that don't have a bend in the middle. So, okay, so this is the full set, and yeah, very nice. And there's the case. Let me try to get this flipped over. Sorry. And just it's like that, and you put your picks in there. I think it's a pretty nice set. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't do anything illegal. Don't pick what you don't own. Don't pick locks that you rely on, and have fun.